Hey, welcome to the workshop. This is the do a little reloading in here, do a little maintenance on my own personal stuff. Hey, this is Donnie from Outdoor Traditions. You know the website, myoutdoortraditions.com. Our Facebook page is Outdoor Traditions, and our YouTube channel is Outdoor Traditions LLC. Hey, the reason for this video, especially this time of year, people are out getting their rifles sighted in for deer season. And it really doesn't matter if it's deer season or just whenever you go shooting, either one. Um, After you go shooting, come back in, you clean your rifle up, or your handgun or shotgun or whatever. You clean it with some type of cleaner. I use Ballistol. I really like this stuff. I mean, I do have Rem oil and I do have the old Hoppies, but I prefer the Ballistol. But anytime you get done shooting, and you go bring your rifle or your firearm back and you get it cleaned up. The worst thing people do is they put too much oil in there. Too much lube. You got lube dripping out of the end of the barrel, and the whole mentality of if as little is good, more is better. And that's not true when it comes to this. You do not want excess oil or lube or whatever in this barrel. It can be a dangerous situation. So the last thing you do after you get it all cleaned up, get yourself a dry patch, put it onto your cleaning rod, run it down through, out the other end. Get all that excess oil out of there. You don't need it. What's left in there is more than enough to protect that barrel. More than enough. Too much is unsafe. So don't worry about not having enough. Trust me, you're going to have enough in there, and it's going to protect that barrel for a lifetime. So anyway, hopefully this will help somebody. Maybe some people might even know about it. Some people don't. Just remember, clean that excess oil out of there. You don't need it. So anyway, the website is myoutdoortraditions.com. Our YouTube channel is Outdoor Traditions LLC, and our Facebook page is Outdoor Traditions. Hey, I want to thank everybody for subscribing, liking, supporting us. It really means a lot. Anyway, if you're going out hunting, be careful, be safe, clean them firearms up, and finish off clean all that excess oil out of there. You don't need it. So get outdoors.